Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 2nd, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 68, a low of 53, cloudy, and it says a low chance of rain, but it is a high chance of rain. Should probably be raining this afternoon. February 2nd, our birthdays are Harper, Layla, and Palestine. Happy birthday to all you lovely ladies today. Today's announcements. Thank you to all the reading buddies that joined another class and read yesterday. Everyone had a great time. Thanks to Miss Mullen for organizing that, and to Miss Smith for helping to get some books, and for all the teachers for being willing to join with another class and give the students that experience. I heard a lot of great things about yesterday. Tomorrow also is the last day for kindness grams. Be sure to get your orders in tomorrow if you did not bring them today. We have the February attendance incentive. School attendance is very important. During the month of February, we will have an attendance incentive in which the classes on each grade level will compete against each other to see who can have the most students at school the most amount of time. Each day, the class will mark the number of students that are tardy, absent, or have early dismissals. At the end of the month, the class with the lowest number of tally marks will earn an ice cream sundae party. There will also be a reward for any students that have no tardies, no absences, and no early dismissals. We need our Shepherd Scholars here every day, all day, to be the best that we can be. Important dates. February 2nd, which is today, is the ACAP Science Refresher Virtual Meeting for our 4th grade teachers. February 3rd is our PACE 3rd grade field trip. February 7th is tutoring. We'll begin February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, Michael Green Science Machine. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, Spring Pictures. Our question of the day, Mahogany wondered how is pizza made, and she found the answer. Pizza is a dish of Italian origin consisting of a flattened disc of bread dough topped with some combination of olive oil, oregano, tomatoes, olives, mozzarella, other cheeses, and many other ingredients. Baked quickly, usually in commercial settings, using a wood-fired oven heated to very high temperature and served hot. That kind of makes me want some pizza now. If you have a question of the day, you can submit that into the library and we will answer it for you. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.